Mercedes-Benz's absolute bestseller is getting a serious makeover, and big engine lovers, you might want to sit down for this one. We just caught our best look yet at the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLC and GLC Coupe undergoing final production-ready hot weather testing. While earlier prototypes only hid their front ends, these new test mules are wrapped in camouflage from nose to tail, signaling that the updated exterior design is officially locked in. And hidden underneath that camo, a massive surprise regarding what's living under the hood. Now, because this is a mid-cycle refresh and not a ground-up redesign, Mercedes is keeping the body lines intentionally restrained. But look closely at the lighting. Mercedes is officially giving the GLC its new signature nighttime identity. We already knew about the redesigned front bumper and headlights, but these latest photos confirm that the rear light clusters are finally adopting the pixelated three-pointed star motif. It's a design language we've seen cascading across the brand's lineup, giving the car an unmistakable premium look in the dark. Step inside, and the changes are going to be measured but meaningful. Drivers have talked, and Mercedes listened. The 2027 model brings an updated steering wheel design with revised touch controls to fix those finicky customer complaints. You're also getting the absolute latest generation of the MBUX infotainment system, meaning lightning-fast connectivity and vastly improved voice recognition. Word on the street is that Mercedes might even offer an optional passenger-side display to give it that futuristic, high-tech cabin energy. All right, let's talk powertrains because this is where things get juicy. While the standard models will carry over their reliable, mild hybrid 4-cylinders to meet strict Euro 7 emissions laws, the high-performance AMG division is making a massive pivot. Remember that ultra-complex 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder plug-in hybrid in the current top-tier AMGs? Well, due to a combination of impending regulations and, frankly, a pretty lukewarm reception from enthusiasts who missed that premium sound, it's going the way of the dodo. Instead, Mercedes is bringing a mild hybrid 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six to the AMG table for 2027. It might not peak quite as high on hybrid torque paper as the outgoing setup, but the pure mechanical raw and silky smooth delivery of an inline-six will make this an incredibly tempting proposition for true driving purists. It is still unclear whether this newcomer will serve as a direct replacement for the 43 or the 63 series. But ideally, the Affolterbach-based performance division will give us both light and punchier flavors of the GLC. So when can you get your hands on one? Since hot weather testing usually acts as the final validation phase for an automaker's electronics and cooling systems, development is nearing the finish line. Expect the refreshed GLC line to officially hit dealer lots in the first half of 2027. And for North American buyers, there's an extra bonus. Mercedes intends to build the updated GLC right here in the USA at their factory in Alabama by the end of 2027, helping them cut production costs and avoid import tariffs in the process. But what do you think? Are you happy to see the inline-six engine making a comeback, or do you think the lighting updates steal the show? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for the latest automotive scoops, and we'll catch you in the next one.